now we're going to begin. Hey y'all, welcome back to the K.Print, where I'll be giving you the blueprint to all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And today, baby, it is 11:19 p.m. So we're gonna be cooking with the K.Print. Also, the quality. My little cousins in my ear, they said, "Hey K.Print,
what's up, YouTube?
Tell YouTube how I'm the cool cousin."
You is the cool cousin. You saw the TikTok. Me and Jakai gonna have to come up down there to do this.
Yeah, y'all can come down here.
No, you gonna bring that.
They called, they didn't hang up. So I was like, I can bring the camera out and we can shut it up for real. So yeah, we making stuffed bell peppers, baby. Stuffed bell peppers. I got my ground turkey, because we don't eat beef or pork over here. I have my vegan cheese, favorite brand. My bell peppers, orange, red, and yellow. Y'all see it. My quinoa. And now I'm just gonna take my seasonings out and we're gonna get started. I like this. So I'm gonna get my garlic powder, my onion powder. What else? You know, you can never have too much seasoning. So I'm not gonna just slap you on this. Why not? You always gotta slap me, man. I'm just playing. Some Saison, and I think that's it. Okay, let's make sure I got all my stuff I need. I need to get a pan, measuring cup, a pot, and a stick. Let's turn this on. Turn this one on. I'm gonna turn this up too. Actually, I'm probably not gonna put them in the oven tonight, because that take like almost an hour to cook. So I'm just gonna prep them, rinse them, rinse them off. Okay, this is for the meat. I'm gonna cook this right here. This is for the quinoa. And what did I do? Run cold water in the strainer until it's clear. Add 1 cup of quinoa to 2 cups of water. I'm gonna eyeball this. So what I'm doing is, that was so dumb of me. I'm gonna rinse this off. So I'll put a little oil in here, because when making ground turkey, it can get a little dry. What we're gonna do now is poke a hole in the back. Let's get a knife or a fork, and you gotta go bang, bang, bang. Just like that. And you're gonna put it inside of the pan. Now, some people say don't season until after, because listen, the most season the better, baby. So I'm gonna season my meat while it's in this pan, and then I'm gonna season again when I drain it, because that's my business. So what we're gonna do, take a little dash of everything, just like that. I'm actually having fun, because period, you shake until the ancestors tell you to stop shaking. When they say, baby, stop all that shaking, You know what you do? Stop all this shaking. Oh, also, I put a little of the like Cajun seasons inside of my quinoa, so we can just have some taste because it's whole grain. And you want it to have a little taste too, because it's just like meat. Y'all, so I told y'all I was in the third grade. I just went and told my roommate I was cooking. She said, you gonna eat that tonight? No, I'm just gonna. I was like, no, I'm pregnant tonight because I gotta cook this meat. She said, I was like, but I'll put you one in the oven. So I put her one in the oven. I might as well sit the rest in the oven, right? Okay, once your meat has browned, is this still recording? You're gonna drain off the excess, like all of that fat and juice and stuff like that. Yes, I have a strainer, but that means I'm gonna have to go in the closet, make some noise. It's 11:30. I'm not gonna do all that. But get you a strainer. And strain it if you want to. And so now you're going to re-season your meat. Or for some, this will be the first time you're seasoning your meat. I already seasoned my meat, so I'm not going to put a lot of seasoning, but I am going to add some to taste. And make sure you mix it, because now that it's dry, it'll just get stuck to certain pieces and all of it will not get seasoned. So you gotta make sure you really flipping it. And you know what you can do? You taste the piece. I'm gonna put it in my hand since other people gonna be eating. Yeah, that's it. I got my braces adjusted today. So now that the meat is done, I like to clean up as I go. I don't like dishes. Yeah, so I like to clean up as I go. Clean, well, as you go, and you gotta worry about the rest. Which means I'm not gonna use any of these sauces anymore, seasonings rather. So I'll put them back in the cabinet. So now we're going to begin rinsing and cutting the bell pepper. So what I learned the last time is that a whole one was too much. So what I'm going to do is cut it in half and then do it as two. So it's going to be like two, each one going to make two. I got a knife and I got a spoon. When I dropped it, this one kind of split in half already. So like I said, let me show y'all. When I first made them, I cut the top off and I stuffed this whole thing, and I ate off of one for like 3 days. So what I'm gonna do is split it down the middle, and it'll be like one side, two sides. So that's what we're about to do now. This one already split, so I'm cutting it. And then I'm gonna take this nasty looking part out. So nasty I can make my flesh crawl. And carve the inside out. So cut this part out. And so it looks like this. And we're gonna repeat. So y'all see? Y'all see how it look, right? And we're gonna cut all of this out. Okay, I'm about to do the rest and then we'll be back. What I'm gonna do now is rinse these off to make sure all the seeds are out. But I'm gonna show y'all what they looking like. You see what they look like? So I'm gonna rinse that out to get the seeds out. Okay, y'all. So I'm tired. I regret doing this. So what I'm gonna do is drain the water off of here, and I'm gonna mix it with the ground turkey. Okay, so y'all remember how it looked like little tiny beads before I cooked it? This is what it looks like when it's done and the water's drained off. So I'm going to pour the quinoa in here, and I'm going to put a little of the vegan cheese inside of here as well. Just so it can like stick together and you give it that extra oomph when you bite into it. Just a little. And we're gonna mix it up. Mix it good so the meat and quinoa ratio is good. Mix it real good. Oh, it's just push it real good. Okay. So once it's mixed up, we're just going to, let's see how we can do it. Take a bell pepper, put the filling inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like before you put your layer of cheese on it. I'm gonna have to figure out a better way to. So now I'm about to put the layer of cheese on top. We're gonna pop these babies in the oven. And they're gonna cook for 35 to 45 minutes. You just gotta keep an eye on your cheese melting. But it's technically already done because the inside is done, so you just wait on your cheese to melt and the bell pepper to get a little soft. When you sit it on here, make sure you do it nicely because you gotta take your time or it will fall. Then you're gonna waste cheese because the cheese just gonna burn to the pan. Okay, the cheese is on all of them. Now we're gonna put these babies in the oven. It's 11:59 now. How long I been cooking? So while those are in the oven, I need to set me an alarm because I will forget and end up falling asleep. I'm gonna set it on for 30 minutes first so I can check it. And while I'm waiting on that, I'm about to clean it up. And yeah. It's a greedy person behind the camera.
It is. Can I make a guest appearance?
Yeah, I'm just cleaning it up now. I literally just put it in the oven.
I'm gonna be the taste tester. Last time it was good. I just had a little piece of it. I'm talking to the highlighters.
Create markers. I'm talking to the highlighters. Oh, that's cute.
Y'all wanna be called the highlighters? If she call y'all that, remember who gave y'all that name.
They be mad at me because I don't like to leave the thing because I don't like letting it cool down before I wash it off because I don't like to leave the dirt there. So I'll be burning this out. me. I thought the freaking oven was preheating and it wasn't on. I'm mad. I'm an idiot. I'm so mad. And I would've, the oven wasn't on. And I would have been like 30 minutes later. 10 minutes had passed by with the timer on. And I thought the oven was hot, so it's gonna really take like 40 minutes. I'm mad. Okay, people, it is 12:40. I literally just got off the phone with my cousins at 12:38. And now we're about to take this food out. I'm sleepy and hungry, but I'm not gonna eat. Okay, so because it's vegan cheese, it didn't really melt. Well, it's not gonna really melt, but here we go, baby. She about to taste this.
It better be good.
Hot. It just came out the oven. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. I got a thumbs up. So y'all gotta comment a thumbs up and leave a thumbs up in the comments.
Okay, y'all, that's the end of this video. Thanks for continuing watching this. I'm Mark on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Let me know if you want more cooking segments, comments and stuff you want me to cook. This light is not focusing, but it's okay. It's the end. That's all, baby. The food is good. I can't wait to get up tomorrow so I can eat some. Then we'll get in the shower, take this hair, take the makeup off, and probably do some work. But yes, bye.